today's episode,
Mini-Cowboys!
Today, in the garden, the children are playing a Wild West game.
Stop now, in the name of Hoggie!
Hey guys, wait for me!
Huh? What a beautiful steed! You won't catch me! Nobody can disobey Hoggie's law. Whoa! I've caught you, Mei-Li! You never catch me! Huh?
Guys, wait for me!
It's so beautiful! Huh?
I saw it first.
No, Bam! I saw it first!
No. Give it to me, Acuarella.
No, let go of it, Bam! You stop in the name of Hoggie! Our horse has broken!
Now we can't go on playing!
Huh? Plim Plim!
Hello, buddies!
Hi, Plim Plim!
A little birdie told me that the Wild West game has been ruined. I know a place where we can experience a cowboy adventure. Shall we go?
Yeah!
What about you? Are you coming with us?
Yeah, we want to go too!
You got it!
Hello! Hello! Hello, you're welcome to play. Come on, you're welcome to laugh and to sing. Discover magical things with me. I am your friend Plim Plim.
Here we are! Welcome everyone to the magical park of the Wild West!
Wow! Amazing! Huh?
Right here, we can all play and have fun together!
Yeah! Stop right there, Mei-Li! Catch me if you can! You won't escape this time! I'm Acuarella the cowgirl, and that is my steed.
I'm the bandit, and I saw it first.
Go back to the way you've come, you outsider.
I warn you, cowgirl, move away.
I saw it first.
No, I want to play.
Move away from my steed.
No, you move away.
Huh? Huh? What happened?
Don't know, you broke it.
No, it was you. Huh?
What's going on, cowboys?
The horse isn't working, Plim Plim.
That's strange. Look! Your friends are having fun with those games.
No. Here you are. It's your turn, Hoggie. No, you do it first, Mei-Li. Then it's me. And then it's me again.
Hello!
We shouldn't have fought. I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry too, Bam. Yay!
It works. Come on, Acuarella.
Let's go, Bam. Let's play together.
It's so much fun to play with our friends.
Amazing, so fantastic to have so many good friends. It's so great and really so cool to have a great friend.
But if we don't fight, playing is much more fun.
Stop right there in the name of Hoggie!
I want more Plim Plim, hey! I want more Plim Plim, hey!
In today's episode,
Splashing around!
the children are enjoying a beautiful sunny day.
Mei-Li, come and play with us.
All right, here I come! What's that?
Look, everybody!
Huh?
Cannonball!
Oh, Hoggie, be a bit more careful.
Huh? Where are my swimming goggles? You mean my swimming goggles?
Where did the ball go?
It's somewhere over there!
I'm not going.
I've already gone.
So did I!
I'll go then. Where can it be? Hey guys, I found the ball!
Oh no!
Bam! Before you go into the swimming pool, you have to wash your feet.
Let's go!
Bam! What have you done?
Bam, you haven't kept your body clean or the water. What can we do now?
Huh? Plim Plim!
Hello, buddies!
Hello, Plim Plim!
A little bird told me that the swimming pool has become dirty. I know of a magical place where we can play and also have fun. Shall we go? Excuse me, Nesho?
I mean, if we could go, Miss Arafa.
Of course, children.
Yay!
And what about you guys? Are you coming with us too?
Yes, we are!
You got it!
Wow!
Here we are! Welcome everyone to the magical aquatic fun park!
Wow! Wonderful!
It's beautiful!
With this great magical slide, it'll be super fun to go in the swimming pool!
Wow, amazing!
But before that, we have to wash our feet so that we can keep the water very clean!
Yes!
Look at this! Yippee!
I also want to try that out. Here I go! Into the water!
Oh!
Into the water!
What's going on, Bam?
The slide isn't letting me dive into the pool, Plim Plim. And I don't know why.
That's so strange. Have you tried doing it like your friends?
Oh.
It's so fun!
If I wash my feet, maybe then it will work. Yay! Woo!
We're ready now. Let's go have fun.
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, the brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, and you're washing your face, and you're brushing your teeth. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. Lots of soap and water, so you can smell much brighter. The brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water, and you're washing your face, so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, the brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
And now, look!
Wow! Amazing! Wow!
What about you guys? Will you take care of water and your hygiene? I'll see you next time! Today we've learned that if we care for water and our hygiene, we have more fun.
I'll wash my feet in the swimming pool.
No! I want more Plim Plim! I want more Plim Plim! Hey!
In today's episode,
The snowman!
in the classroom, the children are playing together.
It's very soft, Miss Arafa.
I don't like it. It's so boring.
Yes, we could make a snowman out of it. Children, that's a great idea. Let's all make one together.
More cotton, please.
More cotton, please.
More cotton, please. Oh, how interesting. There isn't any left.
No more. No more.
Huh?
I've nearly finished my snowman. I just need more cotton.
There's no more. You've used all the cotton.
What's the matter, children? We don't have any more cotton left.
So now how can we finish our snowman? I can't finish mine either.
But weren't we going to make one together?
Huh? Plim Plim!
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Hello, buddies!
Hi, Plim Plim!
A little birdie told me, covered in snow, that you couldn't finish making your snowman. I know of a very special place where we could finish it together. Wanna go?
Yes!
And what about you guys? Are you coming with us?
Yes, we are!
You got it!
Toot, toot, tooting cars are high above the trees. Toot, toot, tooting cars are deep in the sea. All the world's wonders and discoveries. Plim Plim takes you to see all of your dreams.
Here we are! Welcome everyone to the snow park!
Wow!
That's incredible.
Friends, here we can make a snowman together. Do you want to do it?
Yes, that's fun.
With all the snow, I can make my own snowman.
You missed me, Mei-Li. Oh. Oh. I don't like snow at all.
We can make the most beautiful snowman ever with all this snow. Oh, my snow. Oh no, it happened again.
What's the matter, Acuarella?
I can't make my snowman, and the snow's disappearing.
I see. I think Witchy Bee wants to show us something.
Yeah.
Hey guys, can I help you make the snowman?
Yes!
There it goes!
Thank you, Acuarella.
It's done!
Yeah!
But I think there's something missing in this snowman. Take a look at your hand, Acuarella. Huh? Nesho, would you help me put this carrot? It's done!
We all did it!
Yes!
And very big!
With only one hand, you can make a sound. But if you put them together, they say clap, clap. With only one hand, you can make a sound. But if you put them together, they say clap, clap. We are part of a team and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. We are part of a team and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. With your hands and my hands and some other hands, we'll make up this purple team that you're going to love. With your hands and my hands and his hands too, we'll make up this purple team and nobody will defeat. With only one hand, you can make a sound, but if you put them together, they say clap, clap. We are part of a team and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. With your hands and my hands and some other hands, we'll make up this purple team that you're going to love. With your hands and my hands and his hands too, we'll make up this purple team and nobody will defeat.
And now, look! What about you? What game will you play together with your friends? I'll see you next time! Today we've learned that it's more fun when we do something together.